Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, we will check out some English sentences that you can use in your daily conversations. You know, these occur in our day-to-day situations. And the sentences are three-word sentences. And by the three-word sentence, I did not mean only three words will be there. There will be some prepositions or I, we, you, etc. in those sentences, but it is a three-word sentence and this will be really helpful for beginners. Learn the sentences, understand what it means and start using it in your daily conversations. That way you can improve your English. You can improve your fluency. You can actually be confident because you know you have some words and sentences with you already learned. You can use it at any time. So let's not waste our time and look at the 25 daily use sentences. The first one is, hello, my name is Naurin. Also you can say, I'm Naurin. If you are in a phone call or if you are not seeing the other person who you are talking to, you can say like, this is Naurin. Or if you're speaking on a stage, you can say like, this is Naurin. So this is how you self-introduce. Hi, my name is Naurin. The second sentence is, nice to meet you. It's like a gesture to show the other person you are really happy to see them. Nice to meet you. It's a very formal and very polite way of talking to someone. The third sentence is, I am from. You can give your country name there. I'm from Germany. I'm from Australia. I'm from USA. You can give your country there. Now to give the city or the place you stay, you can say like, I live in dash. You can fill that dash with the place you are from. I live in dash. The next one is, what is your job? You can ask this to someone whose job you wanted to know. Like, what is your job? Next one, what time is it? It is the way of asking for time. What time is it? How are you today? You can ask this to your colleague or your friend who you meet daily. And if they are sick or something, they are coming after a leave, you can ask like, how are you today? Or with someone you are meeting new, you can ask like, how are you? The next one is, I like to read books. It's like telling my hobby. I like to eat ice cream. I like to cook. I like to ride the bike. What is your favorite color? This is asking someone's favorites, like what is your favorite dish? What is your favorite outfit? You can ask anything along with what is your favorite. I have a pet cat. If someone has asked you about your pets, you can say like, I have a pet cat. I have two pets, one cat and a dog. Do you speak English? You can ask this to someone you met just now and you wanted to start a conversation with them, but you're not sure if they know English or not. So you can simply ask like, do you know English? Do you speak English? It's a beautiful day outside. It's talking about the nature. You are walking with your friend and you wanted to start a conversation and you can simply say like, it's a very beautiful day outside. I have started a conversation, right? So this is how these sentences can help you to start the conversation or continue from a place where you are stuck. This is my friend. You are introducing your friend to someone else, or you have met someone else and you wanted to introduce this person standing beside you. You can say like, this is my friend. What do you do for fun? What do you do on weekends? It's like asking, what do you do in your free time or on weekends or for fun? What do you do when you have leisure times and what do you do at that time? What do you do for fun? Can you pass me the salt, please? This is a common sentence you use when you are at a restaurant or when you are having food with a group of people. Can you please pass me the salt? Or you can say like, Can you pass me the salt, please? Or you can say, can you pass me the water, please? Anything. You can replace water or salt or anything there. Excuse me, where is the restroom? This is a phrase that you can ask politely to someone for the bathroom or washroom. If you don't know who is standing in front of you, you can just call like, excuse me, can you please move a bit? Excuse me. You can just say like, excuse me, can you please move? Or simply say, excuse me, if you wanted to go through that way. And if you want to ask for the washroom or anything, you can simply ask like, excuse me, where is the washroom? The next one is, I enjoy listening to music. It is telling someone what you like, what do you enjoy. I enjoy cooking food. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy dash, anything you like. How was your weekend? You can ask this to your colleague or friend or family who you met after a weekend. You can ask like, how was your weekend? It's a friendly way of starting a conversation. How was your weekend? The weather is lovely today. You don't know when these phrases will be useful for you. So try to learn them and start using them. You know, at some situations, you might get stuck. You don't know how to continue that conversation. At that time, you can use these phrases. My favorite hobby is painting. It's a simple sentence. It is talking about your hobby. My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite hobby is listening to music. I go to the gym every week. No, I don't go to the gym, but this is a sentence. I go to the gym every week. Or you can say like, I go to the grocery once in a week. We visited a museum last weekend. This is giving information about what you did last weekend. We visited our grandma last weekend. She works at a hospital. Or I work at a hospital. It is giving reply to someone who is asking where do you work or where she works. This is a delicious meal. You know, this is a type of appreciation. You are appreciating the food you are eating. You are telling how delicious it is. The last one is, thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. You can use this sentence if someone has helped you in a situation. You can tell them, thank you for your help. Or thank you for helping me pick up the grocery. Or thank you for giving me the lift. So guys, these are 25 daily use sentences you can use. Start using these sentences in your conversation. If you are a beginner, this will be really helpful for you. From a beginner level, you need to go a long way to a pro English speaker. So these sentences will be that little stepping stones to your goal. So do try using these sentences in your conversation. This is all for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.